Hey guys, welcome back to Tafura Tech. So this video is all about how you can create a blog post on WordPress. So creating your first WordPress blog post is very exciting. So in this video tutorial, I will show you how to write and publish your first blog post step by step. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refresh your skill, this video will guide you and help you to get started with WordPress blogging. So to start with, you need to log in to WordPress dashboard. So I'm on my WordPress dashboard. To navigate to the post, so you need to go to the post on your left hand side menu bar. There is a wall post. That's when you create previously add new post and different category and tags. So before you need to create a new post, you need to select category. So what category your post will be published, so then people can find your uh, blog so easily. So to add a different category, you can add a name here, then slug, and this is optional. You can choose. I have used previously some of the parent category, and then description here. So you can see I have created a couple of them here, so I'm not creating the new one here. So I'll just show you for this video. So you can create, and then just when you are happy with the all section, just press add a new category and they will pop up here. And then next would be the tag. So who you want to tag your blog post. It's very similar process. Your tag name, your slug, and the description URL. So I have created a couple of here, so you can see this is all slug, description here, and the name. I hope that's helpful for you. And then when you are happy with this, then add new tag. They will be visible on your right hand side. After that, you just click one, add a new post. Okay. So and then to start the new blog post, you just need to type and add your blog post title. It could be like how to create, sorry, how to create a blog post. That's this example. So you could change that. And then type the contents. So here is all your contents like introduction, then main body, and then conclusion, and then you can finish and use some social media on the end or your comment box, etc. So you just use plus button, they will pop up the different boxes. You can choose from here. If you want to add some paragraphs, just click here, heading, go, then different list, images, and then browse all. That's when there is a different blocks will be available here. Different design, then widgets, then you can embed some social media platform to your blog, and then different patterns. So what patterns you are looking for, then different media here you can choose from there, and then you can undo here, and then different tools here, and then you can edit with Elementor. So this is plugin, so you need to create those on your WordPress from your WordPress dashboard. Under block, this is another plugin, so I have created for my other website, and then you can use Yoast, header, footer, etc. So when you are finished with your blogs, you can save as a draft, or you can publish straight away. So I am not publishing, or I am not saving this draft because this is a short video to show you how you can create and publish your blog post. So that's all for this video. I hope this is helpful for you. If this is helpful for you, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment below, and stay tuned with me for my next video. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.